Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muzammil. Today we are going to install Windows 10 on our laptop using a USB flash drive. So first of all, you need an 8 GB pen drive and also you need a good internet connection. Without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, drag your cursor to the Windows icon and press the left mouse button here. You can find the system, or else you can also go to the settings and then go to the about section of your laptop, in which you will find out the system type, if it is 32-bit or 64-bit, which we will require in future. Also, you can check I am using Windows 11 currently. Now we are going to first download the Windows 10 file from browser. You can use any browser available. I am using Chrome. You can use any of your browser installed on your laptop. So first of all, open the browser, go to the search option and type install Windows 10 over there. Here you can find there's an option link to download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Make sure to check it if it is available on the official website of microsoft.com. Similarly, you can search for any other Windows. So click on the link and navigate to the option create Windows 10 installation media and click on download now option. A file will get downloaded as media creation tool. You can go to the download section, check, that's a file media creation tool. Once it is downloaded, open the file. It might take some time, so I will skip the loading process. Okay, here you can see there is the license and terms. Click on the accept. Now you will see two options. Upgrade this PC now directly, or you can also create an installation media using USB, or you can also use a DVD. I am using an 8 GB pen drive. You can also keep a spare pen drive so that you do not need to download it again and again, as I have kept a spare pen drive so that if I need to install Windows 10 on any of my PC, any of my laptop, I can directly plug it in and then directly install the Windows 10. Okay, so now we need to click on the installation media and click on next. You can see the language like English, or if you prefer any other language, edition, and the architecture also, as we have discussed, 64-bit or 32-bit, which you have checked earlier from your system about section. If you will uncheck the checkbox, you can change these options, but I will suggest you to use the recommended options, then hit the next button. Here you will get two options. First, to use USB flash drive, or if you have a DVD, you can also use DVD to install Windows 10 on your DVD and then install it on your laptop. Okay, make sure to delete all the data from your USB pen drive first, then install the Windows creation tool. I'm going to insert this 8 GB pen drive into my laptop now. You can see. Okay, I have inserted the USB successfully. You can check the dialog box. I have inserted the USB. Once you click on the next, you will find the USB that you just have inserted. Then click on that USB, as it is for me, it is ESD USB. Select the USB and click on next. And it will start downloading. Once it is downloaded, you can navigate to the file manager and check the files have been successfully downloaded. Great, you have completed the first step now. The USB have turned into a bootable device now, so we will directly install it through the BIOS settings. Next, we need to install it on our computer with basic input output system, that is the BIOS manager, and open the file explorer. Here you can see I have successfully inserted the USB, and also I have this local disk C which is 237 GB. I'm going to delete all the files from this disk C, and then again I am going to install Windows 10 on my laptop so that it will get properly installed without leaving any corrupted file or unwanted file. I'm going to delete all the data from this disk C. Make sure if you are going to delete the data, make sure you have backup of all the data. As I have the backup already on my OneDrive, so I do not need to back it up again. I can directly log in my OneDrive and I can take a copy of my data to my laptop. If you have any other files, make sure you check the files first, copy them into a USB or upload them somewhere, and then start the installation process. Great. Let's start with the installation process now. The USB is already installed, inserted. So we need to power off our laptop first. Great. Once the system is shut down, quickly after pressing the power on button, again hold the function key and press F12 key multiple times. Make sure to press it just after clicking the power button. Do not wait. There might be some other default key to open your laptop's BIOS. It might be F12, it might be escape, it might be F1 key or F2 key. So you can Google it, Google the laptop model you are using, and then check what is the BIOS key that will be default on your laptop. Here you will find Windows Boot Manager. With the help of the arrow keys, you can navigate between the USB, and there is an option Windows Boot Manager. So you can navigate to the USB and hit the enter button. Next, you need to wait until your laptop reads the USB and starts the setup over there. Once done, you will see you have entered into the installation setup. You can change these options like language, date, time, etc. I'll keep it default and then click on next. Again, click on install now and the installation will begin. Great. Accept the license terms now and click next. Here you can see two options. First is directly upgrade your laptop, which will be done by your system itself, or else you can use custom installation that I am going to use for now. To select the drive, if you want to delete something from the drive, and you remove the previously installed Windows first and then install a fresh Windows. So what I am going to use is a custom installation. Here you will find the drive that is available on your system. As I have only one SSD, that is 237 GB. So I will delete all the data first from here. If you are having any other drive or any other partition, make sure to locate that first. As I am having drive 0, this is my SSD. There might be some local storage or local disk or maybe a partition that you have created. Make sure if you do not have backed up the data, back up the data first and then start with the installation. Or else you can keep it as it is and you can make a space at least of 150 GB to install your Windows on that particular partition. All the data that is available on your system or the partitions that are available on your system will be reflected over here. I do not need any data, so I'm deleting all the files. Now click on the unallocated space and press the next button, and it will start the installation on that particular partition. From USB to system, it is getting installed. It might take some time So make sure you're not pressing any other button or any other key, or you are not shutting down your computer, and make sure to plug in your charger so that in between your system will not get shut down. Great. We have now successfully installed Windows 10 on our laptop. Now you need to follow along the steps to set up your laptop. Here you can see we have successfully installed Windows 10 on our laptop. Great. You can check this Windows 10, and you can check the rest of the details about my system. Great. So far we have successfully installed Windows 10 on our laptop. Similarly, we can install any other software as well. I hope you found this video informative. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below if you want me to create a video on any specific topic. Thank you so much for watching.